Hi guys, so on the 5.3 simple worksheet, some of you had questions with number 6, so bear with me as I work through this with my children here. Alright, and so most of you could do out the algebra here, but I'll go through it. So subtract 1, and then we will multiply by 4 and divide by 3. So most of you could get to cotangent is equal to negative 4/3, and this is why we don't do live zooms. Okay, so if the cotangent of x equals negative 4/3, the tangent is much more easier to deal with than the cotangent. So if the cotangent equals negative 4/3, then the tangent, that's going to equal negative 3/4. Okay, because they're reciprocals of each other. Alright, so now to solve for x, remember you're taking the tan inverse of both sides, so really you're looking at x equals tan inverse of negative 3/4. So this is where you're going to have to use your calculator, because we don't know of an angle without our calculator whose tan is negative 3/4. So when you do that, you're going to get x equals, and I'm going to round it, negative 0.644. Okay, so for a visual, again this is not drawn to scale, but here's your angle of negative 0.644. Remember, the requirement was it's between 0 and 2 pi, including 0. So, and we want our angles to be positive. So, there are a couple ways you could think about it. Can I switch colors with you, buddy?
Why?
Because I need that. Could I have that color, please, just for right now? Oh, can I give it right back? I just need it for my video. Okay, so, our two answers here. Again, where are we looking? The tangent needs to be... Okay, apparently I can't change colors. Can I have that color back?
Yeah.
Okay, thanks. Never mind. Crazy me wanting to have a different color. So remember, we're looking for where is the tan negative. So the tangent is negative in quadrants 2 and 4. Now you might say, well, this angle here is in quadrant 4, but this angle is not between 0 and 2 pi. So think about, how are we going to figure out, again, this is not drawn to scale, what is this angle right here? And oh gosh, this was meant to be drawn like this. I apologize for that. I wanted it to be drawn like that. So I wanted this to start here and to go over. But so how do we find this angle right here? Well, you're just going to take your pi and subtract 0.644. And that gives you your answer of 2.498 radians. That's one of your answers. Your other angle, geez Louise, I really wish my son would give me this other color, or I just need to start videos better prepared. Let's see if this pen works. So our other angle is in quadrant 4. So how do we figure out what? Now you're going to get my daughter drawing. What is... Wonderful.
Can't see, Mama.
You can't see? Okay. What is this angle right here? So again, I hope you saw me draw. It's the black one there, starting on the positive x. What is that angle? How would you find that? You're doing 2 pi, Marianne, stop. 2 pi minus 0.644. And that's going to give you, she's really into pre-calc if you can't tell, 5.640. So your two answers, again in quadrant 2 and 4, is 2.498 radians, and this other one that I didn't circle, 5.640. I hope that helps with number 6.